Hi y'all, welcome to the Grace Journaling webcast for September 30th, 2019, and I'm your host Susan Lee Rose. I've been working on a set of encouragement cards lately. This one is the latest. I love these cute little donut stamps from Sweet and Sassy Stamps, and I think they were perfect for this card that I did for the MFT Wednesday Sketch Challenge. I added a couple of circular shaker areas, which looks so cute with the donut stamp. I love how this card turned out, and I hope that you will too. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to color in this donut shape. The stamp that I used is from the Donut Worry stamp set by Sweet and Sassy Stamps, and I'm coloring it in with Y423, and then I'm going in with the pink, which is a Copic. I'm using RV52 and RV55 to complete this, and I'm shading it all in. So I'm going to get that all colored in. I really like this stamp set. It's very, very cute. It has some really cute sentiments, and do not worry is really what it's talking about, and how we're not supposed to worry about everything. So this is a really good encouragement card that I'm going to be making here. So now I'm going to glue on this triangular shape. I took the rectangle and cut it on the diagonal, and I'm going to mount this to the card front. Now I'm using a white cardstock for the card base, and it's cut to 5.5 by 8.5, and I score it at 4 1/4. The pink cardstock is 5.5 by 4 1/4, and then the pattern paper is cut to 5.5 by 4 1/4, and then I cut it along the diagonal. Now I'm going to go in here and I'm going to cut the holes into the front of the card front, and I'm using the layering circles from Stamping Up. I'm going on there with my glue dot and putting in some glue and putting the cellophane on the top of that, and I'm going to put some glitter in that to make the shaker card. The glitter I have purchased, I just got it over at Amazon. It's just a selection of glitters, as well as some that I picked up from Walmart. And then I'm just going to put a little square of paper over that to hold the shaker card in, so we don't get them scattered everywhere every time they get shaken. So that's the way it looks right now. So now I'm going to use the foam mounting, the Stampin' Dimensionals, to put on the donut shape on the front. And then I'm going to put on the sentiments, and the sentiments are from the Donut Worry set, and I'm just putting them on with some mini Stampin' Dimensionals. So the card says, "Life is short, be happy." So I got that on there. Now I'm going to go in there with my Wink of Stella and add in a little bit of glimmer and glitz. I love the Wink of Stella. It's probably one of my favorite tools for making cards, because it just makes the cards just a little bit more special. So now I'm going to mount the card front onto the card base. I'm just going to put my double-sided tape on that. Sorry for scooting up there a little too quickly. I forgot I hadn't mounted it yet. So I'm going to get those all taken apart, and I'm going to just mount that to the front of the card, and then we are done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please visit my YouTube channel, Grace Journaling, to view my other videos. If you enjoy them, please like and share them. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to be updated whenever I add new videos or tutorials. You can also find me on my blog at www.gracejournaling.com, or follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Grace Journaling.